All right, everybody, welcome back to Barbells and Burnouts. Me and Kaylin here working on the car. Again, Kaylin, why is it like every 5 minutes you working on this car?
Because every 5 minutes we're working on this car.
Yeah, because I drive hard. All right, so I had an issue where I was driving the car. I was driving it hard and I lost clutch pedal pressure, right? Nothing blew, nothing like that, but I did realize that my cap was off. So I think that I might just have to bleed the system, okay? So if you know anything about the S2000s, the clutch cap is right here for the reservoir clutch cap. The reservoir sits right here, okay? So my reservoir was off. We just tested the cap and looked at it. Seemed like it was 100% fine, so we're just gonna bleed the system, see if there was air in there. Now, what happened was I didn't have any pressure in the pedal, and I realized the cap was off when I had stopped, put the cap back on, and I instantly got pressure back, okay? But it was not enough for me to be able to get into gear, okay? So what we're thinking is there was just air in the system, so we're gonna bleed it and test it and go from there. I'm praying that it's not my master cylinder, but I don't think it would be my clutch master cylinder.
Sure, Jan.
Okay, so check it out. All right, so one thing I wanna take this time to do for you guys is let you guys know that we have the website that is up and running, the Barbells and Burnouts website. It's barbellsandburnouts.com. Make sure you guys go there and check it out. We have all of our merch up. We have all of our winter and summer stuff. And even for the ladies, we dropped a new active wear lineup consisting of, sports bras, biker shorts, leggings, and all that is up on the website. Okay, so make sure you guys go and check that out. Barbellsandburnouts.com. Nice little service notice for you guys, okay? Cool. All right, everybody, so we are about to bleed the clutch system. It is an 8mm down here, as I had to remind myself and Kaylin had to remind me. I brought a 10mm down. Don't do that. It's 8mm right there on the nipple of the slave cylinder, which we are lucky that we have an external slave cylinder, so we don't have to pull the trans. But it's just a twist on and twist off thing until you get the air out. All right, so you ready, Kaylin?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Oh, that one likes being stuck. Am I closing it? Yeah, I'm closing it. Hold on.
Lefty loosey.
All right, I got fluid coming out.
Y'all fluid?
Yeah.
Okay. Let more fluid go.
All right, hold on. Oh yeah, I got fluid running.
That's good. Just let it go. What we're gonna do is just do a whole flush.
Okay. So let me slide out then.
Yeah, come on.
All right, so we are using .4 clutch/brake fluid. .4 clutch/brake fluid because .3 boils. Shout out to Josh, who was like, the first thing he said, he was like, using .3 or .4? Because .3 will boil at a lower temp and it'll turn into water, right? So I've been using .4 for a while, but helpful tip for you guys at home. Use .4 clutch fluid if you're gonna be driving the car hard. All right, so we just closed up the valve down there, did a nice little flush. Let's do a nice little, you wanna test it while it's on the jack? All right, so we're gonna test it while it's on the jack and see if this joint will go in. No, I don't wanna test while it's on the jack, see if it'll go in gear. Doesn't make sense. Because that was the biggest.
If you turn the car on, period, then.
Well, I was able to turn it on before when it was in gear.
The car's in neutral right now.
That's true.
I thought you said you couldn't turn it on.
Not when it was in gear, I couldn't. Oh, I don't have any pressure. None. Oh, here it goes. Oh, nope, it went again. It's back. Pressure's back. Yeah, pressure's normal. But wait, let me check and see if down here is wet. No, pressure's fine down there. Pressure's gone again. I closed it all the way.
Mar.
Pressure's back. That's weird. All right, everybody. Sorry about that weird cutoff right there. As you can see, I was having issues with pressure in my line. The pedal would kind of go in, gain pressure and build it, and then it would lose pressure back and forth. So I think there is something actually wrong with my actual master cylinder in there. So what I'm going to do is try to pick up another master cylinder, because there's no way that I can say that that part is 100% good. I know that slave cylinder is basically brand new. It's been over there for maybe 2 or 3 months at this time. Yeah, about 3-4 months at the time. So we're gonna swap out the master cylinder and see what happens. All right, so I'm gonna pick that up. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys so much for following along. Hopefully we can get this right, but you know, it's still content I can put out to you guys. All right, thank you guys. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.